Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Network Spread. In today's video, I want to present you a new trading indicator for MT4 platform, which is called, as you can see here in this picture, Dark Point, and which is an indicator for intraday trading. This indicator is based on trade following strategy, also adopting the use of the ATR to determine the right volatility. We can enter in good price with this indicator in order to follow the strong trend on the current instrument. As you can see, it offers easy, visible, take profit, stop loss, line intuitive, directional, points, accurate, points, arrows by colors, useful statistics which indicate the win rate of the signal. So if you want to see what's all about and if you want to see how you can get this indicator, it is a free indicator. So at the end of this video I will show you how you can get it for free. Stay here until the end of this video, and of course if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
All right, everyone. I hope everybody is well today and the weekend is here. So, in this video presentation, I will not show my face because I want to see you better the chart and what I want to explain you. So this is a dark point indicator which was released, I think, this month. Yes, October, yes, this month, and has been back tested by me and a group of traders, and we gained good results so far, and I wanted to share it with you. So I will start with this video presentation by showing you a little bit the indicator and what can do, and later on at the end of this video I'll show you how you can extract and install the indicator for you for free. So this is a free indicator and you can use it for your own benefit to make profit in the financial market by trading all types of assets. You can trade the indices, forex, cryptos, everything you want with this particular trading indicator. All right, so as you can see here, the indicator is showing, let me go ahead and let's put the pencil a little bit. The indicator is showing, as you can see, the take profit, stop, and also the stop loss. And this one here, it is an up signal. You see this green point here, this green big point here, it is an up signal, and we have take profit one here which was hit. The take profit one, it was hit, and then we have here this down signal with take profit one here and take profit two here. So take profit one has been hit. All right, and then we have another up signal here. We have stop loss here, stop loss 2 here, and stop loss 1 here, and we have take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and take profit 3 here, which has been hit, as you can see. All right, let's go any further, and as you can see here, we have this down signal. Yes, we have this down signal with take profit here, take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, which has been hit, and take profit here 3, and also this up signal here with take profit on here, take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and take profit 3 here, and we have stop loss 2 here and stop loss 1 here. Okay, and then let's go any further. We have stop this down signal here with first stop loss, it's here, stop loss here, and stop loss 2 here, and we have the first take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3, which all the take profits has been hit. So over here, as you can see in this corner, we have all the signals that shown so far, and we have 129 signals and total wins of 104 signals, which is a very good hit ratio, winning ratio. We have 80.62% winning ratio with this particular indicator, which is called Dark Point, which is a free indicator. Let me go ahead and I will close this one, and let's go here to gold. XAU USD gold. And let's have a look a little bit what was happening here on this chart. This trading indicator, you can use it on MT5. It's designed for MT5 platform, but actually you can use it on MT4 platform. I'm using it here on MT4 platform, as you can see. All right, so we have this. Let's start with this one. We have this signal here. Stop loss here, first stop loss here, second stop loss here, and we have first take profit here, take profit 2 here, take profit 3 here, which has been hit also. We have down signal here. Yes, we have take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here. Up signal here, first take stop loss here, second stop loss here. So the indicator is showing you the stop loss and take profit also. We have first take profit here, second take profit here, and third take profit here, which has been hit also. Then the next signal is here. It's a down signal, as you can see, and we have first stop loss here, which has been hit also, and second stop loss here. Okay, and we have the first take profit here, which has been hit, second stop take profit here, and third take profit here. And another signal, this is an up signal. Yes, the first stop loss is here and second stop loss is here. We have the first take profit here, which has been hit, second take profit here, and third take profit here also. As you can see, we have in total on gold, we have 62 signals in a period of 12 hours, and we have 62 we have total wins, 44 wins from 62, and we have the winning ratio of 70%, which is very, very, very good. All right, so now because I showed you this how this works, now I will show. Let me tell you a few facts a bit about dark point indicator. It is an indicator for intraday trading and is based on trend following strategy, also adopting the use of the ATR to determine the right volatility. We can enter in good price with this indicator in order to follow the strong trend on the current instrument. The key benefits of this indicator are easy visible take profit stop loss lines, as you can see, intuitive directional points, arrow by colors, useful statistics which indicate the win rate of the signal, automated adjustment for each time frame and instrument, so we can use it on each time frame you want and any instrument you want. Easy to use even for beginners, never repaints, never back paints, so this is a great thing for a trading indicator. 100 compatible with expert advisors, all types alerts available, pop-up, email, push notification, and sound alerts, extremely and highly customizable settings. All right, so let's go ahead and let's have a look any further. So if you want to download this indicator, you just go ahead here below this video and click here, and it will show you exactly the link for to download this indicator. And here where it says download the indicator, go ahead, click on it, and it will take you to my web page, to my website. And here, as you can see, please follow the simple steps to download the most profitable trading indicator, and just fill the form below, fill the form here, and then you will be able to download the indicator. So here, fill your details, fill your email, fill your name, and that's it. When you are done, just click here on this button, and it will automatically send your email. So here it says that it will be sent, the mail it will send to your inbox, and if it's not there, go ahead and click on the spam folder if it's not there. And here it is. Here is the mail from crissbrag, and with the subject download asset download confirmation. And from here it says, hello, I am Chris, welcome to my website, and if you want to download this indicator, click here. So click on this link here, download the indicator, and it will automatically download the indicator on your computer. So from here, choose a folder where you want to download this indicator on your computer. Go ahead. Let me just 1 second to find the folder that I want to download this indicator into, and then here it is, and you will see this folder, a folder that is like this, which is a WinRAR folder. So for this matter, you will need a WinRAR to your computer. So if you don't have a WinRAR, then I suggest you to go to this website here. Just 1 second and I'll show you a little bit. And from here you will be able to download the WinRAR program. Here it is, rearlab.com. Choose your system, if it's 30 bits or 64 bits, and then click here and it will download the WinRAR for you, the WinRAR program, in order to be able to unarchive any document. And then click here, click on the right button of your mouse, and then click on extract here, and you will see a folder like this one with dark point indicator. Go ahead, click on copy on it. All right, copy it, then go to your MT4 platform or MT5 platform. As I told you, you can use the indicator also on MT4 and MT5 platform. As you can see, I'm using it on MT4 platform, and it's working. And the first thing first that you have to do in order to upload this indicator is to go here, go to files, and then go to open data folder. In open data folder, go to MQL4 or MQL file, that depending if you are MT4 platform or MT5 platform, and then go here to indicators, click on indicators, and then paste that indicator here in this indicator list. Here it is, paste it here, and that's it. That's all you have to do in order to upload the indicator on your MT4 or MT5 platform. Then go and click on refresh here the indicator list. And then let me go ahead and I will delete this brag indicator from here, and I will upload my indicator, and just drag and drop the indicator here. Click here on allow DLL, and then click on OK, and that's it. You will have the indicator on your any asset you want to have it, and that's it, voila. And all the details are here on this asset. So that's the video for today. It was very simple to upload the indicator. So if you want to use the indicator, go ahead below this video in the description area, click on that, the first link there, and then you'll be able to download the indicator as I showed you. If you like the video, give me a like. If you want to make more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment in the comments area. If you have questions, put a comment in the comments area also. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye.